I wonder if he's going to swim. Oh, here he goes. I haven't seen him do this before.
Where are you going? Yeah, stay there. Okay, Jules, want me to touch it out for you? You don't. No, on your license, I think you can.
You had your iPhone, you can look at that. It looks a little bit like a camel. Looks a little bit like a camel.
Does, doesn't it?
Okay, hold on to it now. Sit there. You definitely go straight away. Okay, now don't hook it. Don't hook that up. I think that's where you're going in.
That's pretty amazing. I haven't seen him do that before.
Yeah. People were saying they were doing it yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, on my way down here.
I knew that they do it. I just haven't seen one do it before.
Yeah, on my way down here, I heard people talking about they were seen him doing it yesterday. Pretty amazing, right?
That is.
What is that?
Well, that's a bonito or something.
Yeah, it looks like one. The speed it.
Yeah, that's.
You know how to put these fish on?
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, I do. I'll show you, mate.
So cute!
Oh yeah, yeah, it's bonito.
There we go. He's out.
With the flash.
Well, there you go, mate. You hook that one, you'll know all about it.
Yeah.
They fight like anything.
What ones do? Rob, has anyone caught one yet?
Yeah, they have.